sun sinks slow in a crimson haze. Life feels heavy in a smoky maze. Feet on the ground, but my mind's in flight. Seeking truth in the shadow of the night. Blaze it wise, blaze it bright. Feel the fire light the night. Blaze it wise, blaze it slow. Let the wisdom start to grow. Let the wisdom start to grow. The ocean hums with a secret song. Waves roll steady, they've been here so long. My heart beats loud like a drum in the storm. Seeking the warmth where the spirit is born. Blaze it wise, blaze it high. Let it reach the open sky. Blaze it wise, blaze it deep. Plant the roots where dreams can keep. Plant the roots where dreams can keep. A spark can rise, a world can turn. Every ember has a lesson to burn. The rhythm of life, it's a teacher so true. What you give is what comes back to you. Blaze it wise, blaze it right. Carry love into the fight. Blaze it wise, blaze it slow. Let the wisdom start to grow. Let the wisdom start to grow. Under the sun, where the breezes sway, roots dig deep in the earth each day. Kaya smoke ride in a golden hue. Truth and love, they guide us through. Bless Kaya die. Bless Kaya die. Lift me high. Let my spirit fly. Bless Kaya die. Bless Kaya die. seeds of freedom in the winds they sow. Feel the beat, let it carry a weary feet. Bless Kaya bless Kaya lift me high, let my spirit fly. Bless Kaya bless Kaya keep the fire burning, never say goodbye. Echoes roll like thunder deep, drums awaken from their sleep. Every heartbeat, every sigh, Kaya whisper, never die. Just echoes of broken goodbyes. Cyan box, what do you hide? Cyan box, take me for a ride. Your glow, it whispers. Your heart, it cries. Are you a friend? Giant sleeps beneath the moon so wide. Roots run deep where the spirits hide. The earth hums low, a heartbeat in the sand. Silent wisdom speaks across the land. Endless visions, swirling skies. Truth is hidden in the firefly. Endless visions, open your mind. What you see, you may not find. River whispers secrets in its flow. Mountains stand where time moves slow. Every shadow dances with the light. Day breaks free from the grip of night. Feel the rhythm in the ground. Feel it rise and circle round. Endless visions, swirling skies. Truth is hidden in the fireflies. Endless visions, open your mind. What you seek, you may not find. Echoes bounce through the valley spine. Ancient voices hum a tune divine. A riddle wrapped in the ocean's waves. The key to freedom is the path it paves. Tick-tock the clock now, wait for no man. Dusty streets burn hot like a frying pan. Lion roar echoes through the valley low. Time slipping fast, but we moving slow. Fadda time, fire blazing high, burning true straight through the sky. Old time, don't let it fly. Fadda time. dust to dust. Time is a wheel, but who can we trust? Tick, tick, it spins and turns. The fire rises, the lesson burns. Fadda time, fire blazing high, burning truth straight through the sky. Oh time, don't let it fly. Fadda time, fire, hear the cry. Echoes bounce like rhythm in the air. Drum and bass shake the tempo bare. We chant the word, we stand and stare. Fadda time, fire, we declare. The smoke curls up like a lazy wave, chasing dreams we never gave. The clock ticks slow in the heat of the sun. Ganja moment, feel the breeze. Time slows down like melting sea. Oh, ganja moment, set me free. A green leaf whispers secrets old, stories of earth and lands that hold. Roots run deep where the truth unfolds. Every puff a question asks, every exhale lets it pass. Ganja moment, feel the breeze. Time slows down like melting sea. It's harmonizing. Gold rising, gold rising. Keeps the rhythm hypnotizing. Echoes of the earth and sky collide. Roots grow deeper, no place to hide. This gold, it heals, it won't divide. Gold rising, gold rising. Hearts awake, it's revitalizing. Gold rising, gold rising. Forever strong, unifying. walks the hills with a bag of green, a gentle soul, a peaceful scene. Herb-man whispers to the breeze. Herb-man, what's your plan? Rolling wisdom in your hand. Herb-man, make us free. The sun sets low, the rhythm's tight. He sparks the flame, a glow in the night, a sacred smoke to ease the fight. He says, breathe it in, let go your pain. Feel the rhythm, feel the rain. Herb-man, what's your plan? Rolling wisdom in your hand. Herb-man, make us free. Deep where the soul can heal. He's the medicine, he's the real deal. A rhythm doctor with a leafy seal. Cyan, let it flow, unwind, unwind. Cyan, lift it high, leave the world behind. Smoke trails dance in the golden light, echoes ride on the rhythm tonight. The bassline speaks like a prophet's eye, while the dub keeps spinning. Hold the vibe tight in the warmth of the night. Cyan, let it flow, unwind, unwind. Cyan, lift it high, leave the world behind. River of dreams where the rhythm sway. Each note a whisper in the ganja haze. Sun dips low in the red gold sky. I hear the drum beat call and feel it fly. Roots run deep where the rivers part, whispering tales of a lion heart. Lion heart, beats so strong, tears the dark. Lion heart, rise up now, leave your mark. Shadows dance on the valley floor. The echo speaks of kings who roar. No chains can bind, no fear can stay. The lion roams, the price we pay. Alright, the fire burns. Alright, the tide will turn. Lion heart, beats so strong, it tears the dark. Lion heart, rise up now, leave your mark. I hear the wind, it carries your name. A spirit untamed, no leash, no claim. The earth it quakes, the skies ignite. Lion heart roars through the night. Under the sun where the shadows play, feet on the ground but my mind astray. The drum keeps knocking like a heart gone wild. A fire in the rhythm, the earth beguiled. Man chant, rise up, sing. Man chant, let the echo ring. Through the hills, through the trees, through the sky. Man chant, never let it die. Roots grow deep where the rivers run. Stories told in the beat of the drum. Smoke in the air, spirit twist and turn. In the heat of the sound, the soul will burn. Every note a spark, every word a flame, every voice a part of the same name. Man chant, rise up, sing. Man a branch to the light, chasing the dawn in the heart of the night. Oh, the rhythm, it keeps me whole. Oh, the rhythm, it moves my soul. The sun dips low behind the hill. Shadows stretch, but the air is still. Feet on the ground, yet I'm chasing a thrill. A moment in time, it slips, it flies. Catch it now or wave goodbyes. A moment in time, it whispers loud, lost in the beat of the drifting crowd. Raindrops tap on the rooftop tin. Echoes bounce like the rhythm within. Eyes closed tight, where do I begin? Feel the pulse, it's deep, it's slow. Feel the roots, they start to grow. A moment in time, it slips, it flies. Catch it now or wave goodbyes. A moment in time, it whispers loud, lost in the beat of the drifting crowd. Wind carries secrets through the trees. Whispers of wisdom ride the breeze. A fleeting touch, a fleeting tease.
ancient melodies.
shadows long where stories breathe. The olden voice, it calls to me. Olden voice, hear it sing through the night on the wind. Olden voice, calling still, echoes rise, they always will. The earth it shakes with the rhythms my roots grow deep in the heart of night. A drumbeat speaks where words fall shy. The olden voice, it never dies. Whispered low or thunder loud, it lifts the sea, it parts the cloud. Olden voice, hear it sing through the night on the wind. Olden voice, calling still, echoes rise, they always will. lost in the echoes where I am found, still in the voice, still in the fire, burning low but climbing higher. Echoes bend like the waves on the sea, carry me far, set the rhythm free. Every note's a door, every chord's a key, still in the voice, still it's calling me. The clock it spins, it never slows. The river flows where nobody knows. Time is a teacher, time is a thief. It cuts like a blade, but brings relief. Time, wisdom, it moves so slow. Time, wisdom, it helps you grow. Oh, time, wisdom, let it show. The truth you read, the seeds you sow. The sun it rises, then it fades. Shadows dance as memories wait. The stars they whisper, the moon it hums. All things start where time has come. Tick tock, hear the beat, a rhythm ancient, bittersweet. Tick tock, hearts repeat the steps of life beneath our feet. Time, wisdom, it moves so slow.